Have you noticed something strange lately? Is improving. Stock markets are rising, big companies are making billions, yet millions of Americans still feel financially stressed every single month. So what's really going on? Today, we're breaking down the biggest financial reality facing the United States right now, and why so many middle-class Americans feel like they're falling behind. First, let's talk about inflation. A few years ago, groceries, gas, and rent were expensive. Now, many families' basic living costs feel completely out of control. A simple grocery trip that once cost $80 can now easily cross $150. Prices in many US cities have jumped massively. Even eating at fast food restaurants has become surprisingly expensive. Here's the problem. Salaries haven't increased fast enough to keep up. Some people are earning more money than before, but if expenses rise even faster, are they really getting ahead? Exactly why millions of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, even people with decent jobs. Talk about debt. Credit card debt in America has exploded. Many people use credit cards not for luxury shopping, but simply to survive. Groceries? Credit card. Gas? Credit card. Emergency bills? Credit card. And with high interest rates, small balances can quickly become financial nightmares. This creates a dangerous cycle. People with money to survive today, then struggle even more tomorrow. Interesting. At the exact same time that many Americans are struggling financially, others are building massive wealth. How? Because the financial world has changed. 10 years ago, starting a business required huge money, offices, employees, and complicated systems. Today, one person with a laptop and internet connection can build an online business from home. People are through YouTube channels, TikTok content, AI tools, affiliate marketing, digital products, investing apps, online stores, freelancing. So earn multiple streams of income instead of depending on just one paycheck. And honestly, that may be the biggest financial shift happening in the US today. The system taught people, go to school, get a job, work for 40 years. But younger generations are starting to think differently. They want freedom, remote income, side hustles, financial independence. That's why terms like passive income and financial freedom are exploding all over social media. But here's the truth nobody talks about. Building wealth still takes discipline. Social media makes success look instant. Someone buys a Lamborghini, posts luxury vacations, shows stacks of cash. But most real wealth is built slowly, investing consistently, learning valuable skills, saving money, avoiding bad debt, creating long-term income. That's the part many people ignore. Now, let's discuss AI, because this is changing everything. Artificial intelligence is already transforming jobs across America. Some people fear AI will replace workers. Others believe AI will create the biggest opportunity in modern history. And honestly, both may be true. People who learn how to use AI tools could become far more productive and valuable. But people who ignore technology may struggle in the future economy. This is why financial education matters more now than ever before. Schools often teach math and history, but very few people learn how credit works, how taxes work, how investing works, how wealth is built. And because of that, millions enter adulthood completely unprepared financially. So where does America go from here? The reality is, the economy is changing fast. Traditional jobs alone may no longer guarantee financial security. That's why